lads.
Right, my spot I made look like an absolute weapon, but we're gonna just wing it. You've joined us mid-video. I already look like a tramp because we've spent half the morning trying to get this bloody car fully in the air. I don't think I've ever actually jacked the Evo up on the front and the rear at the same time because the cross member's like a little bit offset. So the front goes up like this, and then the back goes up, and then the whatever. What an absolute piss take. But if you have been seeing on Instagram, I have been saying that this car is changing a lot within, well, I said next week, but that was last week, so it's actually this week. So this car's changing a lot this week. So today is actually a very, very, very big and fun day. We've got something happening this morning. AC Alloys is here. Obviously, if you would have seen him before from Jesse's video, maybe if not. But everyone was absolutely astounded by the workmanship, so to say. So we have to get ourselves in and get an hour driveway today. And then we're going dropping the car off somewhere after this. A lot of you may have already guessed, a lot of you may have known. The patrons will definitely know, the patrons will know everything. So if you're not going to be on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram for little updates. And if you do want to keep up to date on top of everything and get more content, please go over to Patreon. But it's the start of the day. It's early-ish, but 80 hours here. We've got the absolute, the meaty's off. And they're going something different. I don't really know. We are changing the colour. I actually really do like the wheels. A lot of people have said get new wheels, but I'm not getting new wheels because I've got these wheels to fit perfectly now. Like, I mean absolutely perfect. Like, how the rears don't scrub, I have no idea. And the fronts literally are just perfect for the offset the car, and I've got the perfect spaces. So I'm not changing the wheels, are too much hassle. But we are changing the colour because the new colour of the wheels are not going to suffice. Now I'm not sure what colour I'm going. It's between two colours. See, he's doing things I've never even seen before in my life. Is that just so are you taking the tyres off? No, okay, give me a sec.
Deflate the tyres, push the front bead right back.
Yeah.
So when we paint, all the paint.
Well, that's an easy idea.
Yeah. Great for Christmas presents as well.
You're a good rapper. What was I saying? Yeah, I can't decide which colour I'm going. It's either going to be one of two colours. It's either going to be gloss, black, or anthracite. I have actually photoshopped each colour wheel on. I think the black's going to go better, even though the anthracite sounds better. But we're going to see the two colours. We're going to see. Now, I would actually usually be worried about things like this because I'm always dead picky about how wheels are done and how things are painted. But you know, I've seen how good Andy was on Jesse's video, so all that worry is not going to be happening anymore. So I'm intrigued to see how they come out because these wheels are absolutely ruined. I do actually run PBS pads on the front, and although they're absolutely amazing pads, they do piss out brake dust a lot. So the front ones are literally embedded in brake dust and they don't even look bronze anymore. So I'm intrigued to see how he deals with that. I think the anthracite sounds cool, and I think it you know, in your head it sounds good, but when I photoshopped it, yeah, it didn't really go. I mean, unless you've got like a really dark anthracite which is almost black. Oh. Shit. I don't know. Fuck. Can you actually see the colours? Like, can I? Or yeah, I can. Okay. Right. So that's the dark anthracite. Right. Okay. That might be.
That's
okay.
Virgin.
Let's compare them against the black.
Well, your black's just obviously.
That black. I want to. Yeah. Oh shit.
What's your head on there?
It smells so good, doesn't it?
So you just got the flat black.
Yeah.
Gloss black.
Oh, it's got to be that anthracite one.
And then that is pretty much.
It's like black with like a silvery flake.
It's got a lot of metallic in it as well. So
yeah.
It's got a bit of the, you know, in the sun it will pop a little bit, but in the dim light it just looks black again. Right. With a little bit of. I suppose it's the stage before black, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think that one looks a bit more expensive, doesn't it, and nicer.
You get the best of both worlds then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, it smells so good. Cutting some shapes in there later. Do it again.
So we're gonna start
the
now.
awkwardness of YouTube.
we're gonna get them all sanded, prepped, ready for primer, and then we're gonna lay down the base coat. I'll let you have a look at it before we lacquer it, just make sure you're 100% happy. Right. Yeah? Yeah,
I think looking at them there, definitely that. Yeah, definitely.
Obviously with the shapes and the curve on the wheels, that'll give it
enhance the spokes.
Enhance it, yeah.
Yeah. Great. So for people watching, if they do want to get you to do it, what's your area? What's your furthest, you know?
So at the moment, due to being super busy,
yeah,
we're covering Manchester and surrounding area.
Right.
We will travel extra. I mean, I've been down to D-side, Wrexham, Liverpool.
Yeah.
Do charge a little bit extra.
So what's the best way of contact? What do you prefer, Instagram or Facebook?
Facebook, Instagram.
Yeah.
So on there, so on Google.
I have noticed that you're really good at replying as well on Instagram as well, so that's
right.
always good.
It's me,
yeah.
And Sandy. So Sandy's my wife. She's straight on it.
That's good. It's nothing more annoying when people don't reply to messages. That's very ironic coming from me. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. I can't tell you the last time I cleaned the inside of them, so...
Oh, you should know it. There you go.
Alright, take it off, fuck it. Rotor Fighter, what the worst name for a wheel ever. Rotor Fighter, what were they thinking? Get your shit together, Rotor. It's what?
Do YouTube for a living.
Do I just sat in my car? Oh, I thought you'd be sat. I was been sat there on my phone. He goes, "Oh, it must be hard doing YouTube for a living." I'm like, "Oh yeah, it's really fucking hard."
I mean, content.
Yeah, no, it's very stressful.
You need to find something to do.
People don't understand that. You know, sometimes it isn't very physically exhausting, but mentally you can't take a break.
Yeah.
All day, every day. It's when you're asleep, when you wake up, and you go. You know what I mean? It's you have to be thinking. You know what you need to be doing and being in control of everything. Obviously, I've got other little jobs as well, so I don't have I never have a day off, mate. To be fair, but no, I'm lucky that I can do it, and you know, lucky that I don't have to work for someone. And sure, you can understand the privileges of that, not having to telling you someone what to do and stuff. That's why I couldn't handle. To be fair, I couldn't handle people telling me what to do. I'm not that sort of guy. You get a bit warm in there, pal. Right, they're all sanded down, masked and ready to go. Buzzing. Is this a primer?
Yes, mate.
Yeah. So is that just for like ease of use? You just make it easier spraying, so you don't have to bend your arm getting all in the crevices and that, or is there a reason it spins?
It's easier for me, yeah.
Easier for you, yeah. So it doesn't have anything to do with like cooling it or making sure the paint doesn't run?
It gives it so everything's even.
Right.
So you're getting even layers, and obviously it's a lot easier to spray.
Yeah, I was going to say.
A lot of people have the crossboards where the wheels are at the bottom, but you'll end up doing like a quarter, then turn it, then a quarter. You'll end up getting dry spots and light spots, and so this way it's just continuous.
You can keep like a steady sort of angle then, can't you? Yeah.
Continuous, and you know, everything gets an even coat.
And it looks good while you're doing it.
Absolutely.
So he's just putting he's doing a black base now. He's doing a primer, this is a black base. Then he's putting the I think it's RS3 anthracite or something like that. He's putting that over the top of the black. I'm having the worst time ever. These little bugs, like, I need to take this camera filter off. It makes me look red. I've got it on enhanced colours or enhanced vivid colours. So everyone always tells me I'm red in videos. I'm actually not. It's just the camera filter I use. But anyway, back to what I was saying. These little bugs are giving me an absolute nightmare. There's hundreds of them. They keep crawling in my fucking face, on my beard, on my ear. And it's like, every time I'm like... Look at them. Woo! You know, I'll back it out. I definitely am going to be cutting some shapes in a minute. So I'm going to do this wheel in the anthracite, and then we're going to leave that one black just to show the camera the difference, because actually I'm intrigued to see the difference as well. But as I said, I'm going to get out while he does it, so I don't want to be cutting shapes. Yo, it's such a nicer finish, isn't it? You know what, it's good because they still look black, but there's just so much more depth to it, isn't there?
And when the gloss lacquer goes on, that'll bring it out.
Yeah, there's so much more depth to it, yeah. They look way nicer. It's not coming across in the camera that well, but they just look so much more... They've got a lot more tone to it, don't they? Yeah, they're way better.
Can't really pick it up, it's matted off already.
Oh yeah, the gloss, yeah.
But obviously when the lacquer goes on top of
it'd be really glossy.
It'll pronounce it even more. Probably have to pick it up on camera, but you can see the fleck in it.
I can see it here, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it. So it's got a bit of everything, green, blue, everything in it. But obviously the gloss, make it pop a bit more as well. But you'll still get a black. Yeah,
they're way better. That was a good choice. The lacquer's on. Oh, the fleck comes out way more now, doesn't it? Well, you won't be able to see it with the camera. But it's like really, yeah, they're way better than just normal black. Oh, they're so pretty. Look how wet they look. Love it. Love like really glossy wheels. Get them in the sunlight. Oh my god, wow. I can't even tell if that's coming across on the camera, but wow, they're nice. Oh, they're beautiful. I'm so glad I chose them over the black. Oh, I can really see it now on the camera. Look at them, lads. Oh. Proper happy I chose that colour. Way better than the normal black. And they're so black as well, so it's good. They look like racing slicks with that tape on. Just looks like there's no tread on the tyre. So damn delicious. Get some tyre shine on, don't I? Oh, it looks so much angrier. Should have done that in the first place, but oh well. Definitely. Tyre shine's going on. Yeah, it just adds a little bit more to it, doesn't it? Than just the plain black. Right, let's take the backs off. There we go. Is it on the bricks? I need to lower it onto the bricks. Well, I won't be able to that one. Yeah. Oh. Look at her. Way more angry, innit? Way more aggressive. Oh my god. It's annoying because the sunlight's up there, so the camera's freaking out like mad. It's better if it was here. It looks so much better. Oh man, it looks so much more angry. It just makes the wrap look even better now. Yes. Buzzing. There we go. All off the bricks. Ah, it looks so much better, man. For all you people who kept bronze, you were wrong. Who said kept bronze, sorry. Keep bronze. Wait, I'll get it right eventually. It's like a little canard there, doesn't it, in this line? Right, so honestly, like, huge shout out to Andy. Like, I hate saying word, I don't know where I've got that from. I think I got that from Jamie FYD ages ago. I'm gonna tell huge thank you. I hate saying the word shout out. Like, honestly, Andy, thank you so much, man. We said in the video before about how to contact him, so make sure you do that. I think he might. Last time we did it with Jesse, he had to take a day off to reply to all the emails and messages. So we'll try and beat that again. See if we can get some more. But yeah, I don't know if Jesse mentioned that you were Manchester area based. Is that why you had people?
Area, mainly Manchester.
Did he mention that? Is that why you're getting people from London messaging you?
Yeah, I think I was getting everywhere. Yeah.
Oh right, okay, yeah. Well, you know, he can give a message, he can quote you up and stuff. But this is an awesome day, so it doesn't mean now we're going to drop the car off somewhere now, which is mad, and people are going to be insanely freaked out over that. But yeah, that's going to happen now. So, what a day! What a day!